So next we progress on to the backhand low service. Okay. So since the distance between the racket and the shuttle is very less, so it is easier for the children to develop contact. So for backhand low service, there are few checkpoints or points which you will have to remember and tell the children. Say for example, so first your stance. Okay, it has to be somewhere here. You cannot afford to stand too close and leaving a wide gap behind, nor too back where you're leaving a huge gap in the front. So it has to be ideally at this place. Okay, so this is the ideal place where you start off doing any service, whether it is backhand or forehand. So here, when it comes to checkpoints, so there are few things. So you cannot touch the line while serving, which is a foul. Okay, and when you're serving, you cannot lift any part of your leg, either left leg or right leg. So both your feet should be on the ground at the time of service. The next thing is you hold the shuttle with these two fingers. So you hold the shuttle like this, and of course backhand grip, and your left leg on your toe and your body position a little bit forward. You're not standing too straight, a little bit forward. And also notice that your right leg's knee is also little bent. So this is your ideal position, and you stay here before you serve. And again here, the racket shaft should be facing downwards. It cannot be straight or upwards. So it has to be down. If it is this or this, then again it's a foul. And the racket position and the shuttle has to be below your waist, and at the time of contact also it has to be below your waist. So, and also you need to look out for some of the children, they might do their follow through which is like this, and which they will have to avoid. So the follow through should be just forward as minimum as possible. So not this or not too high, it has to be straight. You're just striking the shuttle straight. And also encourage the children not to drop the shuttle before and then swing the racket. So it has to be done just off the hand. So you strike the shuttle just off the hand here. So at this point of time, you just drop the shuttle and then hit the shuttle.